Businesses can place Bitcoin on their balance sheet a lot easier now, thanks to PayPal. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. Man, we got some news for you. We got some interesting trades for you guys to do. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. And make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below where you can actually trade Bitcoin or even buy some Bitcoin and take possession of it as well. Also, make sure you get some ID. Make sure you get any kind of ID, even if it's a passport and you pay a little bit more, a few $100,000, or this cheap ID for $250 at rns.davincij15.com. Okay, quickly going over the next gen early, right? It's doing a bull flag here kind of thing, and we're trying to break out here of this level. Looks like it's going to break out sometime next week or on the weekend. Same with PayPay. Breakout is inevitable. Hopefully you load it up when that happens. ORC, right? We saw a breakdown obviously from this downward movement. And yeah, they're holding the line here. So I really think that ORC is going to break back above here and retest the highs of 0.012 area and then continue out higher. Waffles, same case. We're about to break higher, right? We could retest the lows, unfortunately, because of this long wick. We could end up retesting that, but Waffles is holding steady, and let's just see how that plays out. Okay, let's go over to some news for today, right? Global M2 is exploding. What? How do you predict out into the future what the M2 is going to look like? I don't get it. This tweet I don't understand. Okay. I know that it's about to explode, but I don't know that it already exploded into October, November, and December already. Don't know how this chart works. AI sector has been on fire this past month. Got any AI tokens in your portfolio? Actually, I don't have that many AI tokens, and I probably missed that one. But yeah, AI just pumped heavily, and yeah, hopefully we can see a little bit of a comeback, so we can probably get some AI tokens in our portfolios. You can see that data availability NFT applications also did well, whilst meme coins, they did okay. It's just interesting how, Ethereum, right, is barely on that. It's gone negative here on this since the last month. And yeah, it's interesting. But, I think something is a little bit, we'll talk about that maybe tomorrow on Ethereum. Okay, been scammed, right? Crypto Crime Stoppers claim to help get your crypto back. This is interesting. Maybe it's something that you might use. I think you should put it in your Rolodex of things that you might use in the future. But as this company, right, claims to have notched up a success in recovering funds, self-proclaimed Crypto Crime Stoppers Longgate claims it has recovered at least 4 million in stolen, lost crypto funds, which is pretty decent. Founder CEO told Cointelegraph, while it's difficult to track and freeze funds, it's not impossible. Everything begins with analysis, as that's what we do, he stated. Okay. Well, I don't know. Maybe they will be something that's useful in the future. It is really difficult to tell, but because, they have to, if they have a lot of, people in the back end that they can call up and say, hey, can you stop this? Can you do this? Exchanges, maybe that can help. Okay, PayPal now allowing use business accounts to trade crypto. This is amazing, actually. So PayPal crypto embrace. PayPal business accounts will be able to transfer cryptocurrencies to external wallets, allowing merchants to send and receive tokens on a blockchain network. Amazing, right? For those unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies, this announcement means PayPal is making it easier for U.S. merchants and businesses to use digital assets in their operations. Businesses can now handle digital currencies much like traditional currencies, with PayPal acting as a bridge between conventional finance and the growing world of cryptocurrencies. Excellent. So now basically they could have it on their balance sheet and even trade it, right, to increase their amount of Bitcoins. Now, wallets and Telegram app temporarily blocked for UK users due to restructuring. Okay, that's interesting. Obviously, something's off here. Why? Can you imagine if you have this, right, where you store your assets, right? And the UK government says, well, you can't use that anymore because, what did they say here, right? The popular third party said that it's decided to register as a crypto assets provider under the current Financial Conduct Authority. Okay. Regulations that will disable in-app wallet features for UK residents until the wallet confirms behind the app has obtained the proper regulatory license. Okay, so you see, if I stick this asset in here, right, that's bad. That's bad. So this wallet here, company, to produce this wallet, they need to get an asset provider for that. They have to get regulations to produce this wallet so that you could put assets in it. This is the world we live in here. It's insane. It's insane. All righty. Okay, that was fun. Okay, so make sure you head over to bybit.divisionj15.com and let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. We're looking, you see, it's broken down, but it didn't break down far enough. So if we were to bring this back down, it's not quite coming to that level here. So it's interesting. Is this trade going to play out here, around here? Let's see. Do we come back up here and then break down? This is what I'm betting on, right now. That we come back, we come up here, take out these guys once again, and then come back down and break down heavily. That's what the heat maps. So I'm going to reload here. If you're interested in this heat map, right, you can head over to the links in the description below. And yeah, you can see that it can actually come up here and take out some liquidity. Now, there is some liquidity building down below the market, below like around 62,262. And so there could be a little bit of downward draft and then come back up. So keep that in mind. Looking at the longer time frames, right? It's still like this amount of heat is not showing up. Now, this heat map is interesting. You can go all the way. You can see that, okay, well, there you go. There is some liquidity down here, right? Just at these wicks, but not much, not something to write home about on the higher leveraged amounts. So you can actually reduce that and then you can see where the real liquidity is. And so it's far away for them to come down here. So there it is. Okay, Ethereum, right? Further breakdown. We saw some further breakdown on Ethereum with this M pattern, but it seems to be coming back up. Now, this is an interesting situation here. We're seeing that it's come down to the 78.6, where I originally had a long trade. And I'm wondering if I should have kept that one, right? Because, if we did with a 2% risk to reward ratio, or we just do this a little bit, and you know what, I'm just going to go 2% and then see how this thing plays out. 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I'm betting it probably will come back up here. easily. Let's see how that plays out in the next little while. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers. Peace.